Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a super quick video to show you how Jerry modified the latches for the cabinet. If you watched the video on how to build a shelving unit, you remember that he had put a latch up there, and then when he went to put another latch up there, he realized that the doors weren't going to close right together somehow. I can't remember exactly what it was, but somehow they weren't going to close right. So he had one up there on the left side, and then he had the right side latch at the bottom. Well, what would happen was every time we'd pull on the door handle, you know, because the latch was up there, well then the bottom part of the door would just reverberate, make a lot of noise. And, you know, the opposite for this door. The latch was down there, so we'd open it, and the upper part of the door would shake and make noise. So Jerry was thinking, what can I do to prevent that? And here's what he came up with. Ta-da! He just got a strip of wood that would fill in this space between the shelf, little bookmark thingy ribbon, here, between the shelf and the edge here. Okay, so he got a piece of wood that right thickness, screwed it in, and he attached the latches underneath here, like that. And so, latch on that door, it's right there, and then the latch on the right-hand door, ta-da, is in. And listen carefully. A little bit of reverberation still, but only a little bit. Opens with ease. It was also hard, the doors were harder to open when the latches were on the top and the bottom. We had to yank a little bit more. So, just FYI, in case you watched that video on building a shelving unit and adding cabinet doors, this is a better idea. Do the latches at the handles. There you go. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Thumbs up if this video was helpful, and I will see you for the next video.